Yeah, I always see it a little bit late. It's all good though. It's because of the stream delay. It's I can't tell what the delay is right now, but it's probably like 7 seconds or something. Usually that's the case. It's like usually between 7 and 15-second delay. Oh, what am I supposed to do with this tree again? Once upon a time, my grandpa stopped at a big tree, when suddenly saw a huge snow-white birdie with wings spread wide. Took off flying after the snow-white birdie. As he got a little closer, Grandpa saw something super important in its belly. Whoops. Alright, where is this great white birdie? Oh, is it that? Nah, it can't be that. It's not a birdie. Is it them? No. Maybe you have to wait until the time change. Caught up watching Bob Ross? Dope. Bob Ross is cool. And no worries. You do you. You do you. I will be here for the next 45 minutes, so it's all good. Yo, Michael, what's up, dude? Gretty Hill. Wait, if I... Oh, I don't even need flint. Dope. Let's sit by the fire until noon. Gretty Hill is the best shrine. 800 rupees. I don't know what that means. I'll find it at some point, though. Greedy. Ah. Northwest. Okay, north. This is west, so this direction. Oh, you got 800 rupees. From a shrine? Wonderful. That's a lot of freaking rupees from one shrine. Where is this white birdie? $16. Good, good, good. Oh. Yeah, look up. Yep. I literally saw that like half a second before you said that. Oh no, what is this? This is nothing. Is this something? It might be something. It's nothing. Alright, here's the northwest. It's a tree? Yeah, it is a tree. I thought the top of the tree was glowing. North? No, this is like northwest-ish. This is north. Northwest. Oh. You don't think you completed this one? You might not be alone. I'm probably going to be in that boat. Nah, I'll complete this at some point. Where the hell is this birdie? I'm looking for a bird? Yeah. Something in its belly. I looked right at it more than once. What? I know it's not going to be probably like an actual bird. Oh, is that a bird? Is that it right there? I mean, the belly, the center, maybe? Too late now. I already went. Northwest. Is it that house up there? Yeah, I was headed north just then. Now I'm headed northwest. Oh, is that it? No, it's a platform. I seriously did not see a bird. Everyone had trouble? Well, you've done this how many times? Did you have trouble with it the first time, or did you get it right the first time? You saw it the first time? Okay. I don't know. I did not see a bird. I did not see anything shaped like a bird. I did not see a belly. There's a bunch of beasts, though. Help. I'm gonna go back up to this, this tree. Blast this open first. And get some meat in the process. But thankfully it's not processed meat. It's that raw goodness. Might be hard to see because of the because of the way it's snowing. Possibly. Is it really small? Because the only bird I saw is Rivali's Grace, the symbol. It's big. Okay. Big. Whoa. Alright, lady. It's huge? Okay. Now I feel even worse. That's one huge bird. That's one huge bird. Did you guys ever see Deuce Bigelow, Male Gigolo? Oh my god. That's one huge bird. Yeah, I know. Wait, what? Don't finish that sentence. Alright, northwest. It's huge. I am not seeing a bird. Is that the bird? Nah. Is that the bird? There's much face palmage? That's the bird? That does not look like a bird. The details. Where's the details? That's the bird. Yeah. I'm glad I'm not alone. Where's the traveler? What's up, Sidebuster? I don't see the traveler. Oh, nice. The Aurora Borealis. Beautiful. Beautiful. Are you freaking serious? Yo, where's this damn bird? Yeah, that's a rock. You guys are trolling me. Son of a bitch. Oh my god. Troll successful. What the f— Yo, I did not see a bird at all. Yeah, they didn't see it. They were just messing with us. Flying towards a rock. That's what's like. There's no way that's a bird. Oh my god. Back to the tree. And reset. Everyone back to 1. We're gonna go. Oh, shooting star. You think I can go get that? To the tree, Batman. No, to the shooting star. To the shooting star. Oh my god, I can't believe you guys. Oh, that's great. That is great. Stay away from me, chameleon. I have a shooting star to look for. Oh, damn, that's far away. It is a traveler's shard. let's go with a sword. What's the quest called? Oh, Blood Moon incoming as well. Oh man, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die, and it's not gonna be joyous. Oh, look at this well-placed travel medallion. Look at this. Pre-planning, thinking ahead. Thinking ahead. Looks like we got very sidetracked from the bird mission. I gotta get the shooting star, then I'll tell you the name of the quest. The Shard of the Traveler. About to get my light back from the Traveler. Straight ahead. Is this the... almost like the same location as the other one I found, kinda. Maybe not, probably not. Can't find the bird anyway? Oh my god. I'll find that bird.
The blood moon rises once again.
And I'm gonna make some drumsticks. Some wonderful fried chicken drumsticks. From Kentucky? I am. I'm from the state of Kentucky. I do not live there right now, but I am from there. I looked right at it repeatedly. You're making me feel so good. From Indiana? Nice. Awesome. I'm from Louisville. What city? You don't have to tell me. It might be a little too personal, but yeah. My grandmother lives in Indiana. 15 minutes? Oh, so like right across the river. Dope. Why is this load? Were. Yeah, were. Oh my god, what is going on? Gonna kick myself? I'm used to that by now, Ryan. There it is. That was the longest ever. Evansville, yes. I had a soccer tournament there when I was a kid. Blood Moon too strong? Apparently. Apparently. How the hell do I get up there? How about... Ah. Small world. Yes, very small. Oh my god. Not a freaking Yiga. You may have Googled the bird. Awesome. Covered in darkness. Oh man. It is a small world after all. Hey, we succeeded in getting this though. You're my star fragment now. Oh my god though, we have to go all the way back. Are you kicking yourself, Michael? I may not be able to find this bird in time. May not find this bird. Birdie. Birdie, come to me. Is this literally the closest fast travel location I had to this damn place? My god. My god. Well, found the chest. Oh, this is where all the food... This is with all the food stuff and... Yeah, gotcha. Inventory's full. Dope. Alright, now back to the bird chasing. You can't clip. What do you mean you can't clip? Oh, shrine. What? We're gonna do the shrine first. Wait, is this the belly of the bird? Nah, it's not. The face in the loading screen? Something else shiny, right? Woo, cold. It's not gonna work. Is there a boat? Peace out, skeleton. ADD? Nah. Nope. I just got so much stuff to do in this damn game. And like, I mean, no plans, no worries, right? Ooh, shiny. Yeah, right? Ooh, shiny. Shinies everywhere. Alright, well, I'll figure out how to get into this one at some point. What? What? Ugh. No bird yet? Oh, yeah. Yeah, no bird. I'm just marking it. I figured if I could get in there easily, I would go for it. But since I can't, let's go get this shiny bird. I guess that is the faster travel spot, huh? Kinda. Kind of probably like 100% faster. Good God. Alright, let's go over here, maybe? Yeah, this is probably better. Yeah, I know, a few more minutes for Rivali, yeah. It's all good though. Perhaps we'll get this bird today, perhaps not. Oh, look at that little wind tunnel. We're all good. Got some updraft. Oh, it disappeared? No, it's still there. We're still good. Oh, is it not gonna... There it is. Really? What? Oh, I don't even have a sword? Wow. I guess my flame sword broke. So you can be productive? My bad. My bad, Ryan. Productive is being relative. Well, I'm not going to stream in the morning, like, I guess for the second. So my schedule is basically, this is the only stream for my Wednesday, which is, yeah, meaning I don't have a Wednesday night stream. So you have a little bit of a break to do something productive, at the very least. Still Tuesday?
Rivali's gale is now ready.
Okay, so then your Wednesday morning, basically, I will not have a stream. So, yeah, they do get me a little bit. It's all good, though. Basically, your morning, I will not have a stream. So you are free to be as productive as needed, as necessary. Alright, we're back to the tree. It's a lovely, clear day. Let's check out this bird. Is that the bird? Is this the bird? That's a bird. Oh god. That's a dead bird. It's not an actual bird? Okay. Wait, what about this? Is this a bird? Is this a bird? This time of day makes it hard to see. What? I heard that music. I was like, who is this? What's up, Cookie King? You got excited for a moment? Wait, for real? Who else? Oh, these guys. Man. Get away. Wait, is this it? Is this like the head of the bird and this is the wings? Wings and head? And tail. Yes, okay. Fucking hell. Oh, and there's a shrine. Right? Right? Jesus Christ. Oh, God. Didn't work. Well, that was fun. Later, nerds. I'm about to go see me about a shrine. Bale? Yeah. If I had gotten that barrel blown up with a fire arrow, then maybe I would have stayed. But my aim was a little funky. I was too excited. I found the bird. Finally found the bird. Back to the tree. No, it was a different shrine. Yeah. Unless we're talking about a different shrine. I found the bird, lady. I found the bird.